Hi mamas, Kimmy here at Mama Bargains, and I'm here with Paige and her little 3-month-old baby Grayson. We are here to show you the Mon Petit Marty silicone necklaces and bracelets. We're so excited about these products. They're beautiful. They're really bright colors. They come in really nice packaging right here, you can see, so they would make a great gift. We're really impressed with them. We think they're so cute. They are 100% silicone beads. There are no BPA, cadmium, lead, or metals. They are dishwasher safe. And I also wanted to show you the safety breakaway clasp. So here, I'm just going to pull it on Paige. Say like he wanted to grab her, he'd be able to pull it off. So it's safe, it won't hurt your neck or anything like that if you keep it on for little babies who pull. Teething necklaces are great for kids because it really kind of gives them something for their senses to play with. And we're really happy that they're here, and we love Mon Petit Marty, and we hope you love them as well. Have a great day, mamas!